you for tuning in today. My name is Bob Jamison with the Jamison Team here at Tuscana Properties. And today I'm here to talk to you about what to look for when buying a new home. Make sure and stay tuned until the end of this video for a free exclusive report about ways to buy a Bay Area home for less money. If you're like most home buyers, you have two primary considerations in mind when you start looking for a new home. First, you want to find a home that best meets your needs and desires. And secondly, you want to purchase this home for the lowest possible price. When you analyze how successful home buyers have been able to purchase a home that they want for thousands of dollars below a seller's asking price, some common factors emerge. While the negotiating skills of your agent are important, there are four additional key factors that come into play long before you ever submit an offer. This topic has been the subject of extensive analysis by industry experts, and a summary of their findings, as well as a step-by-step purchase plan for home buyers, can be found in a new special report entitled Homebuyers: How to Save Thousands of Dollars When You Buy. This free report outlines how much to offer for a home you're interested in based on how sellers have priced their homes. Here are two of the common strategies you'll start to recognize when you begin to view homes. First of all, homes that are clearly overpriced. Every seller wants to get the most amount of money they can for their home, and real estate agents know this. If more than one agent was competing for the listing of the home, an easy way to win the listing over the other agents is to inflate the value of the home. This is done far too often, with many homes that are actually priced 10 to 20% over their true market value. This is not in the seller's best interest because in most cases, the market will not be fooled. As a result, the home can languish on the market for months, leaving the seller with a couple of important drawbacks. First of all, the home is likely to be labeled as a troubled house by other agents, leading to a lower than fair market price when an offer is finally made. Secondly, the seller has always been greatly inconvenienced with having to constantly have the home in showing condition and nothing to receive for that. These homes often expire off the market, forcing the seller to go through the listing process all over again. In order to save money on a home purchase, look for these types of homes with a high days on market. Second, somewhat overpriced homes. About 75% of the homes on the market are 5 to 10% overpriced. These homes will also sit on the market longer than they should. There's usually one of two factors at play here. Either the seller believes in their heart that their home is worth more despite what the market has indicated. After all, there is a lot of emotion caught up in this issue, or they have left some room for some negotiation. Either way, this strategy will end up costing them in both time on the market and the ultimate price received. This is a good opportunity to make an offer that is below the asking price if the seller is motivated to sell based on a job relocation or a divorce. Make sure to find out why the seller is moving to help you approach the seller in the best possible manner. There is a lot more to learn in ensuring that you get the most out of your hard-earned money. And as I always like to say, the more you know, the better that you're going to do. So be informed and go to the link in the description below, or you can also call 1-855-979-7460 and request report ID number 8019 to get an exclusive free report entitled Homebuyers: How to Save Thousands of dollars when you buy. And if you like this video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You may also like to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos with interesting tips for sellers, buyers, and real estate agents. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. This is Bob Jamison with the Jamison Team here at Tuscana Properties, your reliable source in everything real estate related. Thanks for tuning in today, and looking forward to seeing you really soon.